my channel, I have a surprise for you. Green tip New Zealand mussels. Okay? These are frozen, they're fully cooked, just to make it easier on you guys. Okay? One day I'll do a raw from scratch, but this is stuff you can see in the store, a little packet Crown Vac. These are beautiful mussels. I'm gonna get my small jar of some, look at that, bigger than my head, sambal chili. So this is a chili garlic mussel. So we're gonna take our pan. I got my oil in here, okay? So that's gonna get hot real quick. Since these are already cooked, all you're doing is heating these up, right? So you don't need to cook them for 30 minutes. This is about 4 or 5 minute dish. It's a beautiful thing. So I'm gonna pull it off the heat, throw it in. The mussels are in there, okay? See that steam? Now I'm gonna add onions, andouille, chives, and the garlic, okay? So you have a nice, delicious mussel going on there. Let me get that pan going, okay? And like I said, this is already cooked, so you're just basically heating everything up. Get in there. Look at that, look how nice that is. Gorgeous. So I'm gonna get that nice and hot. I'm gonna put the pan over for a second. So while that's steaming up, we're gonna add bell peppers at the end for a little color. Right? We're gonna add some micro cilantro, which is cool. You can pick up at any store. Really, it's hard to find. Or you can just use chopped cilantro. And we're gonna put an orchid for color, right? And we're gonna use white wine. So once it gets hot a little bit, I'm going to deglaze it with a little white wine. Just add another level of flavor. So now I'm going to pour in my sambal chili. There we go. You can put as much or as little as you want. Now it's starting to come together. How nice is that, huh? Look at that. It's coming together right there. I'm gonna throw in my butter. Right? So this is gonna make a nice sauce. We're just gonna let that simmer down. And then sourdough. Don't roll sourdough, it's delicious. Okay. The reason why I'm using 2 pans is because this is a lot of mussels. And you could use this technique, I mean, you don't see it too often. That's just to help you mix it. So we're getting that nice and beautiful. It's starting to come together. Salt, right? We'll season it. And we're gonna put a little more heat in this. So red crushed chili peppers, right? If you like this spicy, this is a super spicy dish. There we go. See that starting to simmer? That's what you want. It's gonna build a beautiful sauce. Mussels up first. Put them up against there, they'll stand. There we go, look at that. See the sauce starting to come together right there? All stuck in the crevices and everything. That's exactly what I want. If you guys love mussels, this is a good dish to do. Your family will be happy. See that? There's a sauce right here. Oh, gonna finish this with some bell pepper for color. I'm gonna do cilantro because cilantro goes good with Mussels. And we'll do a little orchid. Right? A little lemon. Right? Right? Go right here. Right here. How's that look? Okay, easy mussels, cooked already, easy to do, show you the sauce. If you make this for your friends and they complain, kick them out, okay? Do it. Like, subscribe, follow me, thank you.